Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Toon Blast account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Toon Blast account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Toon Blast application. The home page of Toon Blast application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your Toon Blast account by tapping on Yes. This is how you can log out of your Toon Blast account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.